Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage financial reports with Xero, full guide step by step clearly. To manage financial reports with Xero, start by logging into your Xero account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Accounting tab in the main menu. Click on Reports from the drop-down menu under Accounting. You will see a selection of available reports. Choose the report type that best fits your needs, such as profit and loss or balance sheet. For a detailed view, click on the report title. You can customize the report period by selecting a date range. Adjust filters as needed to include specific account types or categories. After setting your preferences, click on the Update button to refresh the data. Review the report to ensure accuracy and completeness. To analyze the report further, explore the various tabs available, such as Comparative or Budget. If you need to export the report, look for the Export options. Select either PDF or Excel format depending on your preference. Follow the prompts to download your report to your device. To save your customized report settings, click on the Save Custom Report option. Name your report and ensure it is saved under the correct category. Access saved reports anytime from the Saved Reports section in the Reports menu. For collaboration, use the Share option to send the report via email. Enter the emails of recipients and include a message if desired. Finally, schedule regular reports by setting up a report schedule from the Reporting menu. Input the frequency and recipients for automated updates. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your financial reports in Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.